Cosmos Atom just broke $10. Here's exactly what's about to happen next. A big move is coming. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Away with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. First thing first, I want to give a special shout out to the members and students. We've been absolutely killing it and dominating it this week. Absolutely dominated the last month as well. We're 2-0 so far. This week in the sitting room, caught this nice 1-to-3 short ratio trade right here, then another 1-to-3 short ratio trade. Not only did we take both of these trades with the members, but we also broke these down during the London session live. So again, we don't just do Bitcoin analysis over here. We also day trade, and we live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. So this is an investment channel. I teach you how to make passive income as well as active income, which means showing you how to make money on the front end as well as making money on the back end. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the projections for Atom, at least this week, if not going to the end of the month. Going to give specific price points to look out for, to DCA in and DCA out at. Now, of course, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research when you put your money in somewhere else besides out of your bank account. But if you check out my previous videos, you'll see that we're very accurate, especially when it comes to these charts. So let's go ahead and talk about these stats. So for the week, Cosmos has done a 23% gain. It was at $7.89, and then it hit a high at $10.14, which is not bad at all. So if you would have bought into this at the beginning of the week, you would have been up 23% already. Now for the month, it's done 156% gain. You see in the screenshot right here, started at $3.89 and it's all the way at $10.12 at the time of this video. So that's an insane amount of gain, but it's still got a lot more wiggle room to go, because when we look at the yearly highs, that is at $14.51. So again, if you buy right now and the only thing it does is hit the resistance of the yearly high, you're still gonna make a nice bag. But the all-time high is when things get real interesting. $44.80. So even if it goes halfway there to $20 from where it's at right now at $10, you can literally double your investment easily, if not 3 to 4x it. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and go into the charts to do the technical analysis. So we look here on the weekly time frame, we can see a huge reversal to the upsides come into play, right? We had a lot of consolidation going on right here, and the price finally rejected level to a huge explosion to the upside, and we broke this very strong resistance level here at $8.70. You definitely want to keep in mind $8.70 is a very strong price point. $8.70, $8.65, because we can see here that price was treating this as a resistance level on the way up as well, and then retest is holding that support. Now it hasn't done a red candlestick retest, aka a higher low, but we can see on the way up it retesting with these levels before pushing up, and we are in the middle of a higher high. So from this point, we're either going to see price continue to blow, aka the higher high continuing, or we're going to see what happens after a push to the upside, a retracement, right? So it's on its way to heading towards $10.45, $10.50. If we hold $10.50 as support, we can look for continued pushes and continued buys going to $12.30 easily. But if it struggles to break this level, it could try to retest $8.75. All right, now that's short term. Now, if it can break $12.50, it can easily hit $14, right? Like we was talking about, which was the yearly highs right here, right? We see when it hit $14, failed to hold this low as support, which caused the reversal. Now, speaking of reversals, if a reversal was to happen right here, because again, it has been doing a huge push, it could try to retest and retrace down to $7.20, or in the extreme, $5.90. So again, you want to keep these prices in mind. So that's why it's so important to DCA in and DCA out at. Okay, so I've been in this for a while now. I'm super deep in profit on this. I'm up a huge amount right now. So I'm chilling, and I have been DCAing adding more positions every time it's broken and retested a level, and that's why I suggest y'all do as well. But yeah, y'all, this coin is definitely a sleeper. Another reason why I like this coin right here is because you can stake this coin. And at the time of this recording, it has a 14% APY, which is absolutely insane. I don't think you can beat a 14% APY, for being honest. And not only is it a 14% APY, but again, when you stake a coin, this is for a long term. So if you're going to stake this coin, this definitely needs to be a long-term play, because before you stake any coin, each coin has a different terms and conditions. So definitely make sure to read the fine print before you make a decision. With this coin, the staking time is 25 days. So if you stake this coin, you cannot pull it off the chain or withdraw to put it into your bank account for at least 25 days. And then the earning frequency, as you can see, is 7 days. So that means every 7 days they give you a payout of whatever that small percentage would be of that 14%. So you don't get paid 14% every 7 days, you get paid 14% at the end of the year. So 14% divided by 12, and then you divide that 12 by 4 weeks. That'll give you the every 7 days what you would get, right? And again, I have a lot of coins I stake, right? So I'll show you my payouts. You'll just see that again, we really do this over here. So not only can you make money when the value increases on the coin you're in, but even if it's decreasing, you'll still make money on the back end from these payouts. All right, y'all. So I definitely like this. Another thing about staking is you don't have to stake the entire amount of Atom or any other coin you decide that has a staking period. You can stake 50%, you can stake 80%, you can stake 10%, right? So you can be very flexible with this stuff. Even when you want to unstake and withdraw, you don't have to unstake all 100%. I'm just staking 100% because, again, I'm in this for the long term, and I don't plan on pulling this out in 25 days or anything like that. So y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description of the free signal free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my signature service or my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.